Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Palmer, Ohio. I've got a 2015 Ford Transit van, and you're going to be able to see a lot of information here once we start doing our walk around. You'll see it does have the racks up on top, so whatever you need to haul down the road to be able to secure that into place. It does have a 3.5 liter 6-cylinder Ecoboost engine, which means it is turbocharged. So we'll go ahead and do our walk around. It does have the third door here on the side. Let me go ahead and open that up. Okay, we've got the door open. We'll get up here, take a peek at it. You can see the steps appear to be in good condition. You do have a gated barrier. The door does open up to go from the front to the back, and you can see it does have shelves on both sides and go up overhead. You might not be able to see that too good because of the lighting, but it does have internal lights. They're actually lit up right now on the van. So let's go ahead and continue to do our walk. Well, while we're right here, let me show you a little close up of the rack system that is up overhead. Okay, we'll go ahead and continue to the back. Now, if you notice, it does have a receiver hitch lighting here, so if you do need to pull anything, right up here you see a little bit more information. Adrian Steel. So let's go ahead and open the back up. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the inside. Now, on the passenger side, you'll see you have storage bins, and the same on the opposite side. So we'll continue to do our walk around on the driver's side now. Take time to show you the body, which appears to be in good condition. You do have turn signals on your mirrors. Let's take a look inside. Okay, here we are on the inside. You've got gray cloth interior. Show you the dash. It is an automatic transmission. You do have gray collared door panels. Your lighting system. So let's go ahead and hop up inside. Okay, here we are on the inside now. So I'm going to get in here closer, show you the cluster. You can see the mileage as of now is 141,912 miles. And you do have cruise control here on the left side of your steering wheel. Get over here, you'll see the automatic transmission shifter. Get over here into the main console area. Is your audio control, your radio. Get down here, your heating, cooling, and you do have a couple of 12-volt ports to power up your electronics. And we'll pan around here and show you the gate between. Like I said, the door does open up, and this does unlock. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. That actually concludes the tour of our 2015 Ford Transit T-250 3.5 liter 6-cylinder Ecoboost engine, turbocharged. If you have any questions, feel free to touch base with us. Come up for a test drive, look this thing over, and we do have plenty options to get in with financing with multiple lenders. So with that, hope you have a great day. Bye for now.